So, how to integrate third-party apps and use Zapier to make your Zapify.io sub account. So, go to settings again, and then integration to see all the native integrations available like Google, Facebook, Stripe, and QuickBooks. For apps not natively supported, use Zapier to make formerly into Integromat to connect Shopify.io with thousands of other tools. In Shopify or make search for Go High Level as app, connect your account and set up your automation triggers and actions.